I'm sorry for that pause last time. Anyways, there is Ocean Park where you'll see all fish, even whale sharks. That is cool. Even any shark. I don't know. Yo, scary guards in the chat. Anyways, I'm sorry if I didn't make it live in the thumbnail. So, I'm just gonna, yeah, make it action live. Pretend it's live. There we go. Here we are, chat. This is SMC side. Right now, aray ko, stop. Ouch. Huwag mo nakahawakan ka. Ay, stop. Hindi na ito na.
Pasok na kayo. May kinongumpirma lang kami nito.
Alright, we're gonna go, I think. Yeah, we're going. We actually have a bloody woman here. So, kind of feel bad for her. She's on a wheelchair, I guess. So, please comment. I hope you get better soon. Bruh, is it that one meme for Joker? Bruh, it is.
Dito yata entrance eh. Ayaw kasi high blood na tayo. Ikaw. Hi! Hi! Sabi niya, wala, hindi ko siya ka-ocean.
We're going in!
Good afternoon.
Yo! When I just came in, there's something cool I want to show you guys. My favorite part of all time. Action figures. Yo, are these even real?
Tanong yan, kaya niya kami.
Mom, can I buy some?
Meron niya
No,
sa Marilao.
action figures, not
Meron
action
niya sa Marilao, Marilao.
figures.
No, I won't. No. Ayan ka na naman.
Everywhere he is.
Ito ang aking iba-ibang anime.
At, ay, Kuya Peter, ano to? Anong anime?
Ice cream daw tayo.
Hindi ako.
Alright, I'm in! We're gonna eat ice cream, guys! Wait, did they actually do it? Wow! Nagpag-vlog ako na.
Unang makita seaside do, para makita ang nasa SM sa mukha.
Sorry guys, I just actually took a picture. Bro, what kind of chin is that?
Saan tayo mag-uubos ng oras ngayon dito?
Whoa, that's cool. Just ignore those kids. Woo! I'm ruining my vlog. I am not a baby.
Kain ka ng chuchu.
Wow! Wait, this is a fang. It's right on here because it's a necklace. Sorry if you're nearsighted. That's okay. If you're farsighted, gonna do this. Now we're done. That's my necklace. It's working. Go relax. Dude, there's so many people here. Spiral staircase ain't that bad.
Ganda lang kami. Jollibee lang kami. Inulat kami. Ganda lang kami.
Is that Mia Hernandez? Chan, I think it is.
Asa Skypark? Asa Skypark?
Sinabi mo sa kanya dito na lang. Oo.
would be interested.
Yeah, bawal ka pa. Buti na lang, last day yung mga nakaramdam ng di maganda. For a newbie. 3 days daw. Kasi or not. 3 days daw ang alam nila kung tama yung pagkakita. Hindi ko alam. Inom lang sila tubig eh. Hindi natin dali.
Wait, pwede din ako tubig set doon.
Wag, niligaw ka na.
Okay.
Bakit may ramdam ko gumagano? May tayo eh. Si Wawa nasa Ace. Bumili packaging tape. Meron daw Sky View dun. Escalator na tayo. Nag-elevator. Elevator ko yan. Ayaw nga pala. Meron tayo kasama. Hindi kahit sila.
Ano nangyari dyan? Kagat? Saan?
Meron ka din? Ay, Calmo 15, Watson. Sama dito yung mga ano. Hindi ko alam kung sa
Alam, pag
accommodation.
pinadaanan.
Bibili rin ako ni Robion.
Oo nga din, kasi din dito ko eh.
Saan? Meron? Wala. Nilagyan kita ng ano, off lotion. Paano pala naglagay ka ng gabi?
Eh, yung mga
Tingin.
unang araw naman kasi wala.
Aray! Di ba nagpulan?
Sorry.
Baka naglabasan. Ang dami niyong freebies. Sa amin wala mang freebies. Dugyot lang talaga. Nandidiri ako naalala ko yung kutsi na ang itim-itim. Yung tumatagit yung na gano'n. Hindi ko talaga nakita yun. Diri ako.
Aray!
Jump na lang.
Evolution of Jason Voorhees. Oh, do not mind that.